Good morning everyone. Ayan, umaga na. Ay sus, nagurhong. Tapos na tayo kumain. Ayan, nagpanghimagas na tayo. Ayan. At kumain ako ng donut. Ito ay binili namin mini custard donut sa Costco. Ayan. Masarap siya. At saka ito, pang ano namin, source of fiber. Masarap din siya ihalo sa yogurt. Hello, Elvis. Hello. Tignan natin ang iyong daddy. What are you running for? What daddy doing? Diretso naman siya doon sa aming kwarto. Ayan. What are you doing there? What is this? What happened this one? Wow, wow. Why? Come here. What are you doing? Huh? Kiss, mommy? Inay. 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 Sikat. Nagpapasikat man itong... Nagpapasikat naman agad. Naku, ang sarap mong pirotin. Nagpapasikat naman agad. Agad. Kiss, mommy. Come here. Kiss, mommy. Inay. Ayaw niya mag-kiss. Inay. Inay. That's what you wanted. That's what you wanted. Kakagigil ka ba? Kiss mommy first. Inay. Inay palanggaman to. Inay palanggaman to. Inay palangga ni mommy. Gusto? Oh, don't touch it. It's not nice thing. Don't drop off. Tignan natin ang yung daddy. Daddy doing. Oh, daddy? What you doing? You still sleep?
Nurse. I want coffee, nurse. I'm a very sick
Nurse.
What are you talking before?
What I am talking? I'm Vilma. Amiga Vilma. Amiga Vilma. Nothing. He just say she moved already there in their new house. In another house to rent. Yeah. Nakahiga pa. Nakahiga pang ang aking mahal na asawa. Punta tayo sa labas kahit mahangin. Hello, Betty. Hello, Betty. Ayan, tignan natin ang ating mga halaman.